Hey guys, guess where I'm at? For all of my Harley buddies, they can hear my motorcycle because they're not here with me. And that's the only way you can hear my motorcycle when I'm with my biker buddies. But look behind me. I'm out here in deep District 4 and I hear about this 1/8 of a mile improvement needed that costs multi-millions of dollars. So I rode through here again, and it was a lot of fun coming down here on my motorcycle. It's a great ride. I wish some other buddies were with me, but it was a spur of the moment thing. But look at this here. You have a little curved road that is kind of just fine, or you can straighten it out. 1/8 of a mile. And my understanding is that my motorcycle going around that thing was about, I don't know, 5 to 15 miles an hour depending, but I think the maximum speed on my motorcycle with the aluminum box is about 134 miles an hour, and without the boxes it's about 140, and I just know that. Anyway, so how fast would I go if that road was straight and Caltrans spent multi-million dollars to make it straight? I think I can go faster than 15 miles an hour, and I think a bunch of other motorcycle riders might go too fast through there, and it would be a lot of money spent that is not necessary. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we take all those multi-millions of dollars and use them somewhere else in District 4? So anyway, I just wanted to come down here and take another look at it. It's a beautiful day, 77 degrees. Dan Balcazar here, candidate for San Benito County Supervisor, District 4. Hope you guys have a great day.